again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. So today I've got a little pack of gel polishes that Aimeili has sent me over to take a look at. Guys, these are stunning. Wait and see these in a minute. So it's a pack of 6. They are 8ml bottles. And look at these little swatch things on top. I've never had any like that. They're like flat stickers, but it's the actual gel that's inside the bottles. I thought that was cool. And guys, look, they are Hema-Free, HPMA free, TPO free. I didn't know they were Hema-Free. That is fantastic, especially for the price point as well. Look at that. So that is like a pale blue metallic, and this is a gold hollow. I think 3 of them are metallic and 3 of them have got hollow in. So this is like a lavender or maybe a light lilac colour hollow. And then this is another blue metallic. Guys, how sparkly are these? Absolutely jam packed full of sparkle. Look at that. Bright fuchsia pink, full of rainbow hollow. Stunning. Right, so I'm just going to give them a quick swatch because I'm going to do a set of nails and use a couple of these today. I'll just show you doing one coat and I will give them a second coat off camera, so I'll just let you watch for a sec. Everything I use in today's video as well, guys, will all be in my description box. Any discount codes, they'll all be down there as well, so don't forget to check those out. Right guys, so that is them all swatched. Aren't they beautiful, beautiful gels? They just look like encapsulated glitter, don't they? Fantastic alternative and a lot quicker way of getting a full glitter nail without having to encapsulate glitter. Beautiful, beautiful gels. I'm so impressed with these. Right, so shall we do something with them? So I've pulled out the Aimeili solid builder gel and solid nail glue set. So it comes with 2 pots. It comes with your solid builder gel that's been really popular this past year, and you can use this to build a full nail like this, what I've got on this hand in pink. You can use that to build nails, whereas this one is just a glue gel. So this is kind of an alternative to using Gel-X glue. You can't build nails with this, it's not strong enough, it's just to attach the nails. So that's what I'm going to use today. I've pulled out these tips that I got off Temu. These are just 2XL full cover square gel tips, and you need these to fit sidewall to sidewall, similar to a press on, because we're doing Gel-X method. And also today off Temu, I've got these little mini sanding bands and mini mandrel bit, and these are fantastic for nails like these where the inside needs etching. That big sanding band is just too big to get inside these little, look at that, perfect. So I'm just going to use this mini sanding band and etch the inside of these tips. So whilst I'm etching the inside of those tips, guys, I'll just quickly tell you about my Temu discount code. On the 1st of December, the new user 50% off code will be changing to 30%. So if you've not yet downloaded the app, get it downloaded and get your 50% off code and your $100 bundle. I'll leave my discount code and the link and product links all in my description box, so take advantage of that before the 1st of December. So I've just pushed my cuticles back and I'm just scraping away any dead skin. This is important. If you don't get rid of this dead skin, it will cause lifting. So get rid of all the dead skin and then use a buffer and just get the shine off your natural nails. Just get a soft buffer and just buff off all the shine on your natural nails, and then use a prep spray or alcohol and a nail brush and get rid of all that dust. And then I'm going in with Aimeili base coat, just a nice thin even coat of base coat, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to start with my pinky, and I'm using the solid nail glue. So this is not what you use to build nails, this is just to attach your nails, and it's just a thicker alternative to using the glue in a bottle. If you find that the glue leaks everywhere and you get a sticky mess, this is a perfect alternative. Make sure you wear gloves and just get a little tiny blob of that solid glue and put it in the cuticle area, just like you would do with the glue out the bottle. And I like to just squeeze it down a little bit and then press it down at your cuticle area. You do have to press quite hard because it is a solid glue. Press it down at the cuticle area and push that glue until it's completely covered your natural nail. And you don't need to hold it down, it will stay down by itself, just like that. And if you've got any of it that's leaked out around the edges, just get a cuticle stick or anything that's pointy and just pull it away like that. You don't need a brush, you don't need alcohol, there's no stickiness. Fantastic for beginners. And then just stick that in the lamp. You can give it a full cure or just give it a quick flash cure until all the nails are on, and you can give them a full cure at the end. So that is that nail on. Super quick, super easy, no mess, no stickiness. Love it. Very, very long. I am going to snip these down once I've got them all on, but I'll show you that later in the video. So I'll just show you one or two more. Again, little blob of that glue in the cuticle area, and I like to press it down just a little bit just to flatten it out. Press it down at the cuticle area and push that glue until it's completely covered your natural nail, and then whack it in the lamp. Simple as that. So I'll just let you watch one more maybe, guys, and I'll be back. So there we go, that is all my nail tips on. I'm just going to snip these down. I'm not snipping them down too much. I did decide to keep these quite long today. So I like to use a file just around the side walls and around that cuticle area, just to blend the edge of that tip and just to give it that bit more of a seamless look. And now I'm just using a buffer and I'm buffing off all the shine on those nail tips. We're going to put gel polish on these tips and gel won't stick to a shiny surface. So buff all that shine off the nail tips. Just a soft buffer. Right guys, so that's them all buffed and cleaned. I've pulled out just two colours. Like a very, very pale silvery blue, and then just a nice kind of an aqua blue, isn't it? So I'm going to put this more darker aqua kind of blue on the pinky and the pointer, and the rest of the nails I'm going to do in the lighter colour. I did intend on doing two coats, and guys, I totally forgot to do the second coat. So yeah, I literally just did one coat on all the nails. It definitely needed two coats, but they were that sparkly you couldn't even see the little transparent bits. So that is them all painted. They definitely didn't need a second coat because they're that sparkly. You can't see the gaps, can you? Right, so I'm using Aimeili's white, and I'm just starting out by painting a little kind of, we'll call it a cuticle cuff. Quite thick because we're going to use the gel that's in this little cuticle cuff to pull down into icicles. Then I'm just putting a little blob on the very tip of that brush and just pull little wiggly lines down from that gel and thin it off towards the tip of the icicles. So start at the top, pull down a wiggly line and just thin it off at the tip. Super easy design to do, and I think it looks really cute and effective, doesn't it? So I've done exactly the same as that on the pointer, and they've both been cured in the lamp. So I've pulled some stickers out, keeping this super easy, quick and beginner friendly white snowflake stickers. In hindsight, I should have put these stickers on the darker nails. I think they would have showed up a lot better. So I decided to just put one big snowflake on this nail and a couple of teeny tiny little 4-pointed stars, and I stuck one on the thumb, I think, as well. And I'm just going to use that gel polish and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to do some teeny tiny little white dots around those stars, and I stuck a couple of white dots on the very tips of the icicle nails as well. And that is it for the nail art. So lastly guys, these little snowflake charms are also off Temu. These came in a pack of 10, and these teeny tiny pearl ones, they came in a pack of 10 as well. So I'm just going to quickly give these a nice coat of Aimeili's no wipe top coat, cure them in the lamp, and then I'm just going to stick, I think I stuck the bigger nail charm on. I'll also leave the links to these nail charms, everything I've used off Temu and Aimeili, everything I've used in today's video. It'll all be down in my description box with any discount codes. So I'm just using a tiny bit of rhinestone glue because I'll be taking this straight back off. But if you was applying this on your natural nails, I would either use some of the solid glue that you've attached the nails with, or you could use a clear builder, a clear polygel, a clear rhinestone gel. Just make sure you secure it really well. So I decided to put one of these turquoisey green kind of pointy back crystals in the middle of that nail charm because I didn't feel like you could see it that much, and I just thought this green crystal would bring attention to the nail charm, and I liked it. I think it worked out beautiful. Perfect colour match to the gel polish, isn't it? Anyway guys, that is them finished. I think these turned out really pretty. I can't get over how sparkly that gel polish is. It just looks like glitter. Fantastic little gels, I love them. And the fact that they are Hema-Free for the price, I think they're absolutely fantastic quality. I really do. I don't think I mentioned there's also another set of 6 of these gels on the Amazon listing with different colours. So I'll leave the link below and you can go and check those out. Anyway, that is it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.